This is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, and Samsung says it's the Android tablet that'll replace your laptop. But after a couple weeks in the real world, I discovered something they don't tell you in the ads. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know if it's actually worth your hard-earned cash or just a really big fancy screen. Samsung Galaxy Tab Product Overview. So what are we actually looking at here? This is Samsung's latest Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, launched in late 2024, announced September 26, and hitting shelves by early October. It's the biggest and priciest in the Tab S10 lineup, starting around $1,199 for the base 256GB model, going up to over $1,600 for the 1TB, 16GB RAM version. Samsung's pitch? This is a productivity powerhouse for creators, professionals, and anyone who wants a tablet that feels like a laptop with a stylus built in. Samsung Galaxy Tab Performance. Specs are one thing, but how does it actually feel using this beast of a tablet? For me, it handled everything from heavy multitasking to high-res streaming and sketching like a champ. I had plenty of Google tabs open, ran photo editing apps, all without noticeable lag. This MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chip keeps it smooth. But let's not kid ourselves, this doesn't beat the iPad Pro M4 in raw power. Benchmark tests show the iPad outpaces it by a solid margin. Geekbench and 3D Mark scores are clearly in Apple's corner. Still, real-world use was snappy. Games ran well, animations stayed smooth, apps launched fast, perfect for media, sketching, note-taking. It's a fast tablet, just not the fastest. Features and tech. Let's talk features. What makes this tablet stand out every day beyond raw specs? Huge 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with anti-reflective coating. Watching shows, scrolling socials, sketching, everything looks jaw-dropping vibrant, and glare is minimized outdoors. S Pen included with Wacom Tech plus Air features. It snaps and charges on the back, ready whenever creativity strikes, for doodles, annotations, notes. AI tools built in via Galaxy AI. We're talking Note Assist, automated meeting notes, sketch to image, turn simple sketches into art, translations overlays, all activated via the S Pen or optional keyboard key. These features don't just sound cool, they speed up your creative workflow, improve media consumption, and make this tablet feel premium. Design and build. Aesthetically, Samsung didn't radically reinvent the wheel. It's a thinner, slightly lighter version of its predecessor, around 5.4 millimeters thin and 2.35 pounds, but still big. Build quality? Premium armor aluminum, sleek matte finish, strong yet refined, plus IP68 protection. In the hand, it feels solid and well made. That said, for most of us, it's not a one-hand device. This is a lap or stand tablet. It shines when laid flat in front of you or zoned in for sketching or streaming. Pros. Gorgeous, massive AMOLED display. Vibrant, smooth, anti-glare. S Pen included with thoughtful functionality and latency. It snaps and charges on the back, ready whenever creativity strikes, for doodles, annotations, notes. AI tools are built in via Galaxy AI. We're talking Note Assist, sketch to image, translations overlays, all activated via the S Pen or optional keyboard key. These features don't just sound cool, they speed up your creative workflow, improve media consumption, and make this tablet feel premium. Cons. Size can feel awkward and not great for portability. Performance is solid, but lags behind the iPad Pro M4. Final verdict. So who is this actually for? If you're a creator, designer, or multitasker craving a tablet that's more like a mini workstation with a stylus, you're looking at a no-brainer. The massive display, strong real-world speed, S Pen, and AI tools all come together nicely. If you're more into pure performance or video editing and don't mind jumping ecosystem, the iPad Pro M4 still rules. But if you're tied to Android, want a big screen, and appreciate Samsung's inclusion of the S Pen and AI Boost, this is one of the best Android slates out there right now. It's a powerful, luxurious tablet,
may be a bit bulky, but if size doesn't deter you, it rewards with real productivity and entertainment value.